Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. We don't give a f, that's what they don't understand.
I'm back again like flu season. I broke records while loose sleeping. I'm coming down my roof, leaving. Don't give a f, I don't care.
What up, Team Buckhouse? We're back to A Basin, and today we're going to cover the topic of when should you bring out your new snowboard. Is this 2 inches of fresh snow good enough for you to bring out your new board? Well, we'll jump on the mountain, we'll talk about it, and so let's do that. The chairlift just stopped. Happens a lot this early season. So we're gonna mention today's sticker shout out. We got Katie Hazard with the paint splatter sticker on the nose of the snowboard. Looking insane. Thank you for snagging an Evolution sticker. As well as we got Mike Scobalbi. I'm gonna butcher your guys' names all year. With the ski hoodie. If you guys didn't know, we have a ski version of the Evolution sticker. It's got a little skier at the end, not the snowboarder. But if you're a snowboarder or a skier, we have stickers, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, all of the merch, guys. We have it for you, all linked in the description. If you guys do snag any of the merch, just tag me on my Instagram so I can give you guys shout outs in the vlogs like I just did. Yeah, you ready?
Good job.
Yeah, we're doing this thing. Let's go snowboard. Now, one benefit to ripping your new snowboard early season is the snow's pretty icy and suspect in spots, and your new snowboard's gonna have super sharp edges, so you're gonna be able to rip turns and just like carve up the man-made snow super easy. But come check this out. It's the subscribe button. No, I'm joking, but you should hit the subscribe button. Look at this rock. That guy will destroy your new snowboard. Don't worry, I got more. This one moves. So he'll like chase you down and get you somewhere else. You know, he might be here one run. He might be there the other run. You never trust those guys. You also got these sticks chilling around. And then you got the base kind of scratchers, like the little scratchers. Which are these little rocks. Like this little rock. And whatever that thing is. And that stuff normally forms or shows up when you're entering places like the terrain park or a place where everyone's stopping a bunch. So just know you're gonna run into a lot of that stuff when you bring out your new snowboard. Guys, the moguls are forming because we got some fresh snow today, and they're massive. We just go so big on them. I also heard if you smash the like button, the more likes the video gets, the higher we can jump. It's something weird. Just try it. Bro, what's your name, man? Nice to meet you, dude. Oh, Cody! With the steam! So another thing to consider when you bring out a new snowboard is you're already a little rusty because it's early season, new riding. You haven't snowboarded in 2, 3, 4, 7 months, I don't know. So you haven't been riding, so you gotta get your legs back underneath you. Do you really wanna add the variable of a snowboard that you're also not used to on a run that's super busy, kind of chaotic, like a little dangerous? You know, you're just like stacking on things that might make your day, possibly not being the sickest, higher. You know what I'm saying? Like we wanna have the sickest day possible. Well, let's kind of control those variables. Get out a couple times on your old board, rip around, start feeling good. Then when you feel good, you just add the new snowboard, and then you gotta work out the kinks with, like, you went from a hybrid camber to a full camber now, or if you're on reverse rock or you go to camber, that's gonna be like jumping worlds. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, I also didn't used to know, so don't worry. Just stay subscribed to the channel and you'll figure all that stuff out. Also, I did make a video on being safer on the mountain. Check it out. When did that happen?
When you sprayed me.
So a lot of you guys might not know, but I've been having insane knee pain at the end of last season into this season. All summer long I had the knee pain. But I was going to physical therapy, which is awesome because my knee is feeling a lot better. The issue is, your boy's legs are on fire. I'm like extra sore from doing physical therapy yesterday and ripping the last 6 days in a row. But hey, we're out here, it's sick. But we're gonna make Cody do this run now because my legs are burning. So another thing with the early season, not so much today, but this line on a weekend will go all the way back there. So you're spending like 30, 40 minutes in a line, and your new snowboard's gonna get hit with ski poles, skiers bumping into you, snowboards bumping into you in the maze. You're gonna be getting a lot of scratches on that beautiful tot sheet. Now I know a lot of people don't care. Your snowboard's gonna get beat up eventually, it's gonna get scratched eventually. But if you wanna keep it nice because you just spent 600 bucks on it, maybe don't bring it out into the lift lines when it's busy. Sometimes the filmer gets broke off. You good, buddy? Whew. Yeah, sadly the park's on a little bit of a sketchy level. That's why I've been keeping it very mellow in the park. I'm not trying to get broke off in that terrain park. Alright guys, so I'm going to tell you my final thoughts on should you bring out your new snowboard early season or not, down at the bottom. Because sadly, this one's chipmunk, so we're going to rip it hard. If you don't know what chipmunk means, it means last run. But we don't like to say that because it's bad luck. You never want to call your last run, everything like that. So I say chipmunk. I've said it for the last 12 years. I just love that this channel has picked picked up on it, you know what I'm saying? And you guys have been snagging the chipmunk sticker. If you didn't know, that sticker is available. So snag a chipmunk sticker. And guys, this one's chipmunk. Let's kill it. And I'm gonna answer your question. He's so weird. The secret win of the day is these huge moguls that form from the fresh snow. I love them. I fell on that one again. All right, guys, should you bring out your brand new snowboard you just spent $600 on? I would say afford to be who you can be. So if dropping 600 bucks on a snowboard is not a big deal, then bring it out, ride it through the muddy stuff, rip it, have a good time. If you know it's a stretch to get a snowboard, you want to take care of it, you want it to last 2-3 years, you know, baby it a little bit, let it last that much longer, because you don't need to catch one weird rock out here and destroy it. So if you have an old snowboard, rip that. It's not a yes or no question, it's more of a who are you, what is it going to work for you, is it not, you know what I'm saying? With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that like button. And as always, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.